Why do people come out to hear concerts? I don't know. Who can even afford to come out to concerts anymore? I don't know. I had a teacher in college who I was studying improvisation with, who told me that his uncle was a musician during the Great Depression, and the guy made hundreds of dollars a week, which is insane. And the reason he made $100 a week was because even in the Great Depression, what people did spend, the little amount of money they had, was on going to hear music and going out to shows and on things that made their life as normal as possible. People go to hear music because it makes their life normal. And it's their connection to something real. And it's, there's people who have jobs that have no personal connection, I imagine. I mean, I guess that's a bit of a jerky thing to say, but from my perspective. And when they come out and they listen to music, they are getting a genuine experience. It's the same thing as reading a great book. It's the same thing as going to see a good film. Hopefully. I hope.